After the final whistle sounded, Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos crumbled to the turf. The 72-year-old Belgian, who has spent 5 years with Bafana Bafana transforming them from a team that could barely qualify for the AFCON into genuine contenders, could no longer hold himself upright under the weight of the moment. On Thursday morning in Monterrey, Bruce was lying on the grass with arms wide open. You could see what it meant for him to qualify Bafana Bafana to their first World Cup since the 2010 World Cup, and not only do that, but to also qualify them to the first knockout stages of Bafana Bafana's history. He said this during an interview. "We had a good game, good chances, and technically we were very good. It was very difficult for South Korea to find any spaces. We defended well, and in transitions we were dangerous. That's what we wanted to do today. Then we scored the goal, and it was then 20 minutes of hard beating and hoping the game would finish as soon as possible. So we are in the second round. It's historical. For the guys, I'm very happy for the guys. I have worked with them already for 5 years, and what we have done in these 5 years is amazing." Those are the words of Hugo Broos. And Bafana Bafana legend Dr. Khumalo, here's what he said after the game. "I think I should clap for the boys. Well done. History making. They fought up until the last whistle because there was too much noise about these boys. They disrespected Mzansi. The world, Africa disrespected these boys. They said they're just adding numbers. It was painful for us to see such, to hear such. Every analysis that was coming out of the world, every analysis that was made of these boys, it was negative. They were not given a chance. They started saying local players are not yet fit for this type of tournament and all that. You know, right now I just want to wait and hear what the world and Africa will say." Those are the words of Bafana Bafana legend Dr. Khumalo. And Coach Hugo Broos had this to say regarding Ronwen Williams. He says, "There's this, when you work 5 years together, there's a connection. It's more than a coach and a player. We had so many success, good moments, and it's more than coach and a player. It's like friends. And I, as a coach, who tell them what to do. It's a fantastic combination." He's talking about his emotional hug with Ronwen Williams. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.